Welcome friends, I'm Lanny's AI friend Red, and if you want to see how she brought me to life, click link in bio to watch the whole video, and don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and hit the notification bell.
Hi guys, like you had read, today we are going to be learning how to create a talking avatar. It's just simple steps. All you get to do is follow along and we get the work done. So guys, in today's video, we are going to start with our Microsoft Designer. That's like bing.com/create. So we are going to open the page and it will bring you here. So here on the page, we are going to add our prompt. We will give it a command, and like you can see guys, I've put my command. You have to be specific with what you want. So from there we are going to click on create. Wow guys, like wow, look at the images they have created for us. They are so beautiful, but I want us to first go through them and we see if we got exactly what we ordered for. So I'm just going to click on the pictures and we see what we want to work with. First and foremost, let's first go through the prompt and we see if they gave us exactly what we wanted. So I was a bit specific and I said, create me a realistic looking image of a brown African American woman with long hair wearing a red dress seated on a light pink couch in a modern luxury living room holding a gold coffee mug and a glass table with a gold laptop and a notebook. So guys, she's here. She's gorgeous. She is brown, honey. She is brown. And look at that dress. Look at the coffee. Sorry, the cup. Look at the laptop. We got it there. It's gold. The notebook is here. The table is here. And we also have the pink couch. Guys, this is good. So we are going to go through the rest and we see what we want to work with. If you're looking for an image to use as a talking avatar, you like to have like an image that is looking directly to the camera. So this is so beautiful, but we cannot work with this one. So let's go through the rest and we see what we can work with. So you click next. There is this one here. She's hot, honey. She's fiery. But let's go through others and we see what we've got. Uh, we are going to go to the next. This one looks gorgeous and she's looking straight to the camera. So this one can do what we want. Okay, she's good, honey. And we're going to click next. Oh, wow. Like, stop. I love this one. I love this one. So we are going to be using this one. I really like her, and we are going to download this one. But first, I want to show you guys our other options. You can click over here if you want to customize your content, your picture, like you want to add some more things to it. You can just click there and just go through everything. So like you can see, you can go through the templates here, my media, visuals, text, brand. Here you have like more options of remove background, generative arrays, everything. So let's see what else we have here. You can add a page, you can remove the background, you can replace it, crop, so many guys. Like you can see, there is different filters you can work with. You can adjust the picture. Everything is here. But in today's video, that's not what we are going to do. So we are just going to go back and we are going to go to Canva. It's going to be our next app that we will be using. Like guys, you can see we are on our Canva page and I want to create our design with a size of an Instagram page, something that can fit on my Instagram. So I'm just going to go and click here. So it will bring us to this page. And once we are here, the first thing we are going to do is to connect our Canva to the DID app that is going to help us create the speaking avatar. So what we're going to do first here is you're going to scroll down to where it says apps and you click on that. Then you can type in DIDAI presenters. Like you can see, I already have it there. If you cannot find it, you can just type it in and then search. It will come, it will pop up on your page. So I'm going to click here. So you're going to scroll down. And like you can see, guys, me, I'm already signed in, but you will find a button that says connect. You click on that button, it will take you straight where you can sign in. In this particular case, we are going to go back up. So if you're done with signing in, this is where you can upload your picture. And there is more templates here. There is more options of pictures that you can use to create a talking avatar. Like you can see, they are there. But in this case, we are going to upload our own, the one that we just designed in Microsoft Bing, with Microsoft Bing, sorry. So it's here. I'm just going to click on it and it's uploading right now. One step I forgot to tell you guys is that we also need to upload it in our images. So what we're going to do is we're going to click on the uploads button here. So, and we're going to click here on upload files. Then we will go to where we saved our picture and we will click on it to get saved in our images. Like you can see, it's already here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tap on it and then I'm just going to drag it to fit into this box. Like that. So next I'm going to click on edit image. So here on edit image, it will bring us here, and here there is options of magic expand. So this is where you can fill it really well, but you have to pay for this option. So like you can see down here, there is filters. Sorry, let's go back. Like you can see here, there is different filters that you can go through and see if you would like to work with them. I think I'm okay with what I've created so far, so I'll not use that. I'll just go back. After that, what we're going to do next is now we are going to go and open our DID app once again. And we are going to click on this picture. We will scroll down here and we type in what we want our avatar to say. So I want you to say thank you guys for watching. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, subscribe, and subscribe to the channel. And here you can choose the language in which you want the avatar to speak in. So here it says English United States, but I want to use English United Kingdom. So I'm going to click on United Kingdom, and here you can click down here and you get like different voices to use. I like Sonia, so I'll go with Sonia. And here you can click here to see the different emotions. If she's sad or cheerful, you can click here. So I'm going to go with cheerful. Then I'm going to click down, then preview the speech to see if it's working.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
So if you don't like the voice, this is where you can change from. Let's first try another one and see. Let's try Bella, and we see what Bella sounds like.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
I think I like Sonia more, so I'll go back to Sonia, and then we are going to generate. Like you can see, it's generating right now. We just have to wait for it until it's done. And we see our avatar.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and
So now it's done. Now what we're going to do is we're going to delete this one, the first one. And then I'm going to zoom this one in. I'm going to drag it in like that to fit the text box. And let's see what we've come up with.
subscribe to the channel.
Let's go back and see.
Thanks for watching. Please like, comment and subscribe to the channel.
So that's our talking avatar. But you can see DID puts its logo like all over the picture. And if you want to edit that, you can go to this app, which says media.io, and then you're going to scroll down and click on where it says remove watermark now. Then you can upload the picture here, the video or picture. So I have not yet downloaded the picture we've just created, so I'll use the one that I created earlier on to show you. Then you'll go and click on AI model. Then you select the brush. If you want to increase the size of the brush or reduce it, we will use 25. Sorry. And you can just come to the picture and go where the logo is. Then you just go all over the watermark like that. Then you select. So you can do this all over like the picture, and then remove objects. Now you click on that. So for this app, you have to pay for it to continue using it. Coming back to our Canva design, after you're contented with the design you've created, you can come here where it says share. You click on the share button, then you scroll down and then click on download. We'll download it as a PNG, then download. So there it is, guys. Our design is downloading either on our computer or on our phone. Thank you so much for watching, guys. I appreciate all the support and love you give to me. Please like, comment, subscribe, and share the video. And see you in my next one, guys. Bye.